everyone and hello friend. Good morning. Ha? Hindi. So, kau be kore may begaan. Lah, nondok ina kwar. Nalag. Kaja nampak dengan jam 5 nah ni tu. Okay, now I am take tobacco now. Small tobacco for farm in my garden. So now I'm in garden my grandfather. Huh? So finally I'm complete to take tobacco. So now I wanna bring my motorcycle to here for bring this tobacco uh, to my home, to my garden, guys. Yes, this is a few in the garden. So now I wanna washing my cook. Okay, now I'm in small river. Oh, okay, friend. So because now I wanna walking so far away. So I get information from uh, uncle. So in the road in here is get wet and that's okay for riding motorcycle. But I'm until here. I see this road not very get wet. That's so I can for walk and use motorcycle. So guys, in here a lot of small river. So in the journey now to garden, I see this snake color green, not color black. So if color black, maybe I just running. But I see the green, so I'm slowly. Because if snake color black, this is a danger for all of you, because you can dead, guys. And if the color green, this snake shy and not danger to all of you. So everyone, in the morning, so in here the view is beautiful because you can see a lot of tobacco in the garden. You can see a lot of chili in the garden. You can see a lot of tree, tomato in the garden, and other guys. So uh, in here is very cool because now it's morning, not afternoon, and if afternoon in here is very hot, right? But I'm like uh, in here, so because it's very enjoy. Sabi jadi lahat.
Milay.
Di ba kapapok? So guys, I just meet uh, local people in Padamara. So I'm always to permission because this is ahlak and adab to local uh, the adab and ahlak in local people guys. So if I meet local people in Padamara, I am always permission and greeting. So what's up or an order. So it is amazing and it's very okay. So my big friend, I'm bring a lot of tobacco and use motorcycle for bring to my garden. Oh, so everyone, this is 3 4 open tobacco. In here activity, a lot of local people is farm tobacco and in always here. Yeah. So everyone, I'm tired now, but not very very tired. So guys, now maybe in 1 minute I'm until uh, my motorcycle. Ah. Hah? Tuh, ada kadek dulu, nanti tulak baik tuh. Makan papu. Papu betul. Yang penyadang sini nurung tenani nanti tuh. Ah, 2.000. 2. Kambing nangis doang. Hindi nangis pada us. Yes, now I'm until my motorcycle, so I wanna go to garden, back to garden. Oh, halo. Hah? Itu ada untuk makan papu. Pakai bait doang itu. Tuh, jangan tahu, disuruh dulu baru. Lambat tahun. Angkat ricak, mau berbadas netet lagu nih ricak lalu. Angka aku udah nanik naon, ada orang baru tuh. Okay guys, so everyone, now maybe I wanna off my vlog, so because now my vlog is 14 minutes, so until 5 minutes, 15 minutes I wanna off my vlog because now I wanna go back to garden. So now maybe I wanna apa man? Ya. Oh, so maybe now my lecture not come to campus. I don't know problem my lecture for come to campus. Okay guys, thank you so much and see you next time.